Today on Mom's Dinner, I'm going to show you how to make a ranch water. It's a tequila-based cocktail that's sparkling and refreshing. You just need 3 ingredients, starting with silver tequila, and then you'll want a couple limes for some fresh squeezed lime juice. And finally, you need Topo Chico sparkling mineral water, and it has to be Topo Chico to be considered ranch water. Start with your glass. We like to use a mason jar and fill it with crushed ice to the top. Then you'll pour in 3 ounces of silver tequila, one and a half ounces of fresh squeezed lime juice, and then finish it off by topping with the Topo Chico. You can give it all a little stir to mix things up, and then garnish the side with a lime wheel, or you can squeeze a lime wedge right into the cocktail. Cheers! You can find the link to the full recipe in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.